Hello everyone, I am Rimi and today I am starting my YouTube journey with the channel language Luxe and I'll be teaching here German language as I am a German language trainer and I have been teaching German from last 3 to 4 years. So because it's a new language, so we are starting with very basics alphabet. Alphabets are very basics, but it is the most important part when we start our language journey. As when we were in our nursery class, when we were learning English or Hindi, we used to learn with alphabets, right? So that is what we are going to start. It is very crucial part, so please be attentive. And whenever I say anything, I speak any alphabet, please repeat after me for better understanding and for better pronunciation as well. So let's begin. Okay, just give me a second. Yeah, we'll start. So we'll start with the alphabets. Alphabets, we have A is basically, so as you can see in the very left hand side, we can see that ABCD it's written. So ABCD, just like in English, we write ABCD in German as well. It is written as ABCD only, just the pronunciation is different. So, what is the pronunciation that we are going to learn today? So, A is pronounced as A in German. It is A, Apfel, A, Apfel. B, Book, B, Book. Then comes C, Couch, C, Couch. D, Danke, D, Danke. A, B, C, D. Now, E. E is pronounced A in German. E is pronounced as A in German. So it is elephant, elephant. F, fish. G, guitar, guitar. Ha, hello. Ha, hello. Hello is basically hello. And as you can see, I have said it as guitar. Now in English, whenever E comes in the end, we don't pronounce it. But when it comes in German, we are supposed to pronounce it with a slight emphasization of a guitar. Now I is basically E in German. So Igel, Igel. Now J is very important because J in English is pronounced as yacht in German, yacht. So if we have Japan, in English we call it as Japan, but in German it is Japan, Japan. Wunderbar. Now comes K. K is Ka, Kaffee, Ka, Kaffee. L, Land, L, Land. M, Mutter, M, Mutter. N, Nagel. O, Orange, Orange. P, Party, Party. Q, Quiz. R, Rot. S, Zeit, S, Zeit. Instead of saying it as sight, I am saying it as Zeit. Why? Because S is equals to Z in German and Z is equals to S. So S ka pronunciation will come as Zeit, Z starting with Z, and Z ka pronunciation will come as sight, S. So Zeit, Tee, Tomaten. U is U in German. U. So instead of calling it as USA, we'll call it as USA. We. Now with we, we have a car brand. It's a German car brand, and in India people call it as Volkswagen. But because it's a German car brand, so the pronunciation is different. We, the pronunciation is different because we is pronounced as V in German. V means the pronunciation will come of F. So fox, fox, way, wagon, fox, wagon. Fox means people, wagon means vehicle. So people's vehicle. Now X. X is basically X. X. So It's written as xylophone, but the pronunciation will come as xylophone. Xylophone. Then we have Y is called as ypsilon. Ypsilon. And Z is basically set. 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 Yes, correct. And it is sight. As I said, S is equals to Z, Z is equals to S. Now it's starting with Z, however the pronunciation will come as sight, starting with S. Now, as you know, in English we have 26 alphabets, right? In German also we have 26 alphabets, same 26 alphabets, it's just that we have four more special characters in German. We are going to learn those four special characters. So three special characters contains umlauts in it. Now what is umlaut? Can you see these two dots above A, O, U? These are called as umlauts. So A, O, U has two dots above those, umlauts above those. These three are special characters, and the fourth special character is this etc. Sign of beta exactly. So now A is R for us, but when A comes with umlaut, obviously something is going to change. And what will change? The pronunciation. Whenever A comes with umlaut, the pronunciation of A will remain as A. So there is a word which I have written, that is Mädchen. Mädchen is a noun which means a teenage girl. Mädchen is, so the pronunciation is coming as A. O ka pronunciation, when it comes with umlaut, the pronunciation comes as ew. Ew, hören. Hören means listening. U, when it comes with umlaut, the pronunciation comes as U. So it is mule, mule means garbage. Then etcet, etcet. Etcet contains double S in itself. So the verb here is heizen. Heizen means to be called. Heizen contains double S in itself. Because etc is coming in between, that doesn't mean that we are going to pronounce it as high etc n. No, that would be incorrect. The pronunciation will come as heitzen. Wherever etc comes, we emphasize there and we pronounce like double s ka sound. So heitzen. Now you must be thinking, if we are not going to pronounce it as heitzen ko, if etc is there, high etc n, then what is the usage of this etc, right? Now that confusion we'll solve now. If you can see, y is equals to ypsilon, right? For example, let's take my name. My name is Rimi. Okay. Now, in my name, y comes. It doesn't mean that I am going to pronounce my name as Rimi ypsilon. No, that would be incorrect. So, when to use this ypsilon, that we are going to learn. For example, in India also it happens whenever someone calls us and he or she is unable to understand the spelling of our name. Then they ask, can you please spell out your name? Similarly, this situation can happen in Germany as well. And there you are supposed to pronounce it in German. You are supposed to spell it out in German. In that scenario, I can call it as R-E-M-M ypsilon. R-E-M-M ypsilon. The pronunciation will remain same. It will remain Rimi only. Wonderful. So let's go through it once again. A, B, C, D. A, F, G, H. E, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Wonderful. Then A, U, U, etc. Great. Now, if you have seen like apfel, book, couch, a lot of similarities you can find out, right? In English, apple, in German, apfel. Spelling here and there, pronunciation here and there, but still we can relate. Book, what is book? Book is book. We can relate, right? Couch is couch. Danke is different. Danke means thanks. So danke is a bit different. But if you see elephant, only F is changed, right? Fish is fish. Guitar is guitar. Hello is hello. Eagle, eagle. Japan, we already know Japan. Cafe, coffee. Land means country. Motor, mother. Nagal is different, that is needle. Oranja, orange. Party is party. Quiz, we already know what is quiz. Rot is red, the color red. Zeit, that is different, that is means since. Tomato, tomatoes. USA, everyone knows. USA, fox, I already told you. People, wagon, vehicle. Xylophone is xylophone. Upsilon, it's the name of the alphabet. Pronunciation. Sight means time. And these four I have already explained. Wunderbar. Now, bitte buchstabieren Sie Ihr Name. Now, let's try to pronounce your name. Take 5 seconds of time and spell out your name in German. For example, my name is Remy. R-E-M-M-Y. Yeah, you can also write down the spellings of your name in the comment box. Now, let's do an activity. Bitte buchstabieren Sie. Buchstabieren means to spell out. Now, I have a word here. Hund. You have 5 seconds of time. Recall the alphabets and spell out Hund. Fünf, vier, drei, zwei, eins. Now let's start. Let's try it now. H U N D. H U N D. Hund. That means dog. You can see a cute little dog here. So Hund means dog. Now comes Katze. What is Katze? Katze, we'll get to know in the next slide. Try to spell it out. Again, 5 seconds of time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It is Ka, A, Te, Set, A. Katze means cat. Now, it is most interesting one. My every student is like, they find it very interesting. This word actually, it is papagay. Papagay is a bird. Now you have 5 seconds of time. Spell it out. Papagay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pe, a, pe, a, ge, e. Pe, a, pe, a, ge, e. Papagay, that means parrot. You can see here, right here. Great. So these are all about our alphabets. Vielen Dank. Vielen Dank means thank you. Many thanks basically. So many thanks everyone to watch this video. You can like, share and comment and subscribe if you like this. We'll make more videos on German language. We'll start with the beginner one. Yes, and in case you want to enroll in our courses, you can drop an email to hallodoid78@gmail.com. And in case anyone has any doubt, you can comment down in the comment box and we will solve it. Thank you so much for watching this video.